I'm here today to do a workout at your desk with a Cubii. I went to a conference this November in Washington, D.C., and I saw this product and I thought it would be the perfect product to add to our desk yogi regime. And what better way than to start 2017 with a little interval training at your desk. So I'm going to combine interval training and upper body stretching. I'm going to do 20 seconds on the Cubii and a 10-second rest. 20 seconds on the Cubii and a 10-second rest for 2 minutes, and then I'm going to do some general stretching. I really find that moving your body every day of the year, no matter what, is the most important thing. So I've kind of thrown my 30-day challenges and the 15-day challenges and the 7-day juice fast out the window, because the only way to feel good and healthy in your body is to move your body every day. Let's get started. So first of all, just make sure that you're at the right height at your desk in your chair. This one works for me because my knee is level with my hip. And all I'm going to do is I have my timer set on my iPhone. There's a great Cubii app that you can use as well, but because I'm doing interval training, I'm going to use my stopwatch on my phone. And I'm all set. Usually your desk wouldn't be angled. Mine's angled just so you can get a look at the Cubii in action. And I have my resistance set on 4 because I'm going to be pedaling really fast. And here we go. Just pedaling away, really pressing through the whole portion of my foot as fast as I can without kind of like bouncing all over like a crazy person. Really pushing through my feet to get some strength going. And 4 more seconds, 3, 2, 1, and that's 20 seconds. We're going to rest for 10. We're just going to reach our arms over our head and back down. We'll do that one more time, reaching the arms over the head and back down. Resetting my timer, 20 seconds, and go. Excellent. You can play a little bit with the resistance and find what works for you. If you have super strong legs, if you're a weekend runner, bike rider, tennis player, you might want to put your Cubii at resistance 6 or 7. See what's best. And 4, 3, 2, 1. Excellent. Another stretch. This time we're going to reach forward and round our upper back and reach the elbows back and arch and look up. 2 more. Excellent. Let's do 1 more. Reach forward and pause. We're going to hit the start button again. Are you ready? And let's get pumping. Go. I like to rest my hands on my desk, or you can pump them along your body. That's a little awkward from a coordination standpoint. Right here, just keeping it going. Breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1, and that's it. We've done 60 seconds, and we've had 2 10-second rests. This is our last 10-second rest. And then we're going to burst out the rest of that last 2 minute with a 40-second effort. 1 more breath. And 40-second double time effort, and let's go. You could also pretend you're holding handlebars. I'm just going to let my hands rest on my desk. Keeping it going. The Cubii is a great tool to mix it up with yoga, fitness, meditation, and stretching throughout your day. So what I recommend is taking a desk yogi break, then doing some Cubii interval training. Even light pedaling as you're working through the day is a must. Keeping that body moving, whether you're sitting or standing, is really important. But those times when you're sitting, get this Cubii going to keep your legs moving and active. 3, 2, 1, and stop. I'm just going to stretch out a little bit by leaning back in my chair, pressing my right toes up. I'm just going to hold on to my right toes. If that doesn't work for you, hold on to your knee. Nice even breathing. And the other side. And what you also want to maybe think about doing is doubling this workout. And we'll have more coming out with the Cubii, so look forward to that. Check us out at desk-yogi.com. Our monthly challenges are free. Sign up, and I'll see you soon. By the way, I'm Jackie Burge, CEO and founder of Desk Yogi. Bye.